Hello guys, today I will show you how to fix the annoying gaps in the model when you slice it in CURA after preparing it in Blender. In the prepare mode, the model looks very good and smooth. But after slicing, in the preview mode, you can see on the model a big gaps and lines. The problem is not in CURA but in the model. To fix it, you need to install 3D Builder and open the model there. In 3D Builder, you need to click on Import Model, and then you will see a little window here. You need to click on this little window, and now to wait. It can take some time. After it, you can save the model and open it in CURA. Important, you need to choose the right file extension, STL. Now you can save it and open it in CURA. I delete the old one and open the new one. And now, when I slice it and go to preview mode, you can see that the model have no gaps and no holes.